everyone, thanks for watching. So today's video is going to be a little different. We're not opening a subscription box, but we're opening up products that are made from a subscription box company, Glossybox. So the day I'm posting this video, Glossybox is launching their skincare line. So they were kind enough to send over their entire skincare line for me to review and show you guys. I was able to test everything out inside. So today we're going to do an unboxing. We'll go over everything that comes in their line, and then I will kind of give my thoughts and my recommendations. There may also be a little giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. Sometimes I have some videos dedicated to just skincare and beauty as well. So if you're into that type of content, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So I had all these products out, but I just love the presentation of their PR box. So there's a little piece of paper here, and there's all these products here, and then a whole nother row of products. So there are a lot of items in their line, but you definitely don't need all of them. What they did is they tried to create a product for every type of skin type, etc. So their new skincare range consists of 4 cleansers, 1 exfoliator, 2 moisturizers, an eye cream, and a hydrating facial mist. Oh, and a night serum as well. So like I said, this is launching today, and subscribers to Glossybox not only get early access to purchasing the skincare line, they also get to purchase it at a discounted rate. So 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when this will go on sale for members, and that's hopefully when I posted this video. I'm filming this the day before. And then if you're not a subscriber, you can still purchase it, but that won't be until 5 p.m. And the prices range from $16 to $22 for Glossybox subscribers, and for non-subscribers, it's a few dollars more. So in my opinion, definitely an affordable skincare brand. They say that their line is supposed to cover all ages, skin concerns, types, and lifestyles. Each product features high performance skincare ingredients that are simple yet incredibly effective. Combine their unique and powerful formulations deliver hydrated, nourished, and soothed skin. And their range was developed and produced in the UK by leading skincare specialists. They also have 100% recyclable sugarcane packaging. Love that. 100% renewable electricity and zero waste was used in manufacturing it. And it was tried, tested, and loved by hundreds of Glossybox subscribers. And then each product follows a no-nonsense approach. The packaging helps customers understand exactly what they are putting onto their skin, with 3 key ingredients highlighted on the cartons. This is a secret to creating beautiful glossy skin. So sorry I'm reading from this handout with all the information. Just didn't want to miss anything. But how about we get started? So first of all, I really do like the packaging. It definitely goes with the Glossybox aesthetic. So this is what the packaging looks like, and all the products look similar as well. So how about we start with the cleansers? So I should mention that pretty much all but 2 of the items in this line are fragrance. So if you do not like fragrance or your skin's very easily irritated from fragrance, I will point out the items that would suit you best. And some items are more fragrant than others, at least in my experience, so I will point that out as well. But let's start out with the cleansers, since that would be like the first step. So like I said, I've tried all of these. So they all have similar boxes, and let's start with this one, the Deep Cleansing Cream. So this one is supposed to remove makeup, and it nourishes the skin as well. And I like how on the packaging it tells you like how to include this in your routine. So it says follow up with our Hydrating Mist and one of our 3-in-1 moisturizers. And it says our Deep Cleansing Cream removes makeup, washes away dirt and impurities from your pores, as well as leaving the skin enriched. And the 3 main ingredients are Subaki oil, Babusu oil, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, and Inca Inchi oil. So all of the items look similar to this. They may like vary in like size and shape and stuff, but they're all pink, which I really like. And I don't think I mentioned this, which I should have because it's important to me, but all of these items are cruelty free. They're also vegan. So this one, like they say, it can remove makeup, and they say this can replace a double cleanse, but personally, I would prefer to use this as my second cleanse, like go in with a makeup remover and then do this. If you're someone that doesn't wear a full face of makeup, maybe like a BB cream or tinted moisturizer, this may work for you as just a one-step cleanse. So it's really useful. They gave me all these little cards with information too, so I'll make sure I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, it says, tired of double cleansing, you need this deeply cleansing cream. In just one use, it removes makeup and washes away dirt and impurities, all while enriching your skin with nourishing ingredients. And they even give like stats from the trials they did. They said 86% of women agreed that their skin felt deeply cleansed. And it gives you some tips in the back about removing like even waterproof eye makeup and stuff like that. But yeah, this one's definitely fragranced. I wish I could describe the fragrance. I do like it. Like it smells like kind of like a light perfume. I don't know if anyone else has tried this. How would you describe the fragrance? But so that is the first cleanser. So I think this cleanser is ideal for someone who wants a cleanser that removes makeup and also cleanses their skin. And also, like they say, could be a one-step cleanse. But again, in my experience, I wear a full face of makeup when I do wear makeup. So I like to do a double cleanse just to make sure I get everything off. Next is the Daily Micellar Gel Cleanser, and they say this one nourishes, purifies, and softens. So this one's pretty gentle. Honestly, all of the cleansers were gentle and not too harsh in my experience, even the ones that are fragrant. And this one says why it works. Micelles help to clean away dirt and excess oils from your pores. Blueberry seed oil works to hydrate and nourish your skin. And cactus stem extracts helps to soothe and moisturize your complexion. So I think this would be great for someone with dry skin, since this has both cleansing and hydrating properties. And when I used it, I had no issues. But again, it is fragrant. Now my favorite cleanser is the one that's not fragrant, and this is actually a foaming cleanser. It's their Gentle Foaming Cleanser. And sometimes foaming cleansers can be a little too stripping, but this one's actually great. I've kept this one in my shower. I've been using it every day. So fragrance-free, our Gentle Foaming Cleanser removes dirt and impurities without stripping away moisture. It's made with cactus stem extract that soothes and moisturizes the skin, resurrection leaf extract, which hydrates your skin, and then kangaroo paw flower extract, which keeps skin supple and fresh. They use such interesting ingredients. I wonder if it's because it's formulated in the UK. I don't know. Sorry, I haven't been showing you everything, but this one looks a little different, so just wanted to show you there. So out of all of the items, actually, I should say this to them, I'd probably recommend this most, but out of all the cleansers, this is definitely my favorite. I can tolerate a little bit of fragrance, but too much can irritate my skin, so I prefer to use fragrant-free skincare in general, but when it comes to cleansers, it's a wash-off treatment, so I don't mind having that stuff include cleansers. So really, I think all of them that I've talked about so far and ones we'll talk about soon are great, but yeah, the Gentle Foaming Cleanser is definitely my favorite. And then the last cleanser is the Purifying Charcoal Cleanser, and this one I think would be great for someone with oily skin. So it's definitely not too stripping. I was able to use it just fine. I have normal skin. I probably just said that, but just to clarify. And yeah, it improves your complexion by removing excess oil and dirt. And it has gentle exfoliating beads, it feels like, in it. It's very gentle, like definitely not harsh at all. This is made with activated bamboo, which works to cleanse away dirt and impurities, and the biodegradable exfoliation beads, so that's good to know. I feel like the beads that weren't biodegradable are not in products anymore, but I'm glad they clarified that. So the little beads that I was talking about help to gently buff away dead skin cells, leaving the skin soft and smooth. And then it has peat leaves, which leaves your complexion feeling cleansed and hydrated. So this one I would definitely recommend to someone who is more oily and maybe more acne prone, since this can hopefully help with that. And also if you like a little bit of physical exfoliation, I think this is good because it's not too harsh. But speaking of exfoliation, let's move on to their exfoliator in their line. And this is the exfoliating clay scrub. It says it deeply cleanses and restores radiance. It's made with Cornish clay, rice exfoliator, and glycolic and lactic acids, which are AHAs. I love them. They make your complexion feel energized and restore its radiance. So this is both a physical and a chemical exfoliator. And I would recommend only using this once a week. I use this once and it definitely isn't too harsh, so I will continue using this. I don't like too harsh of scrubs because I feel like that could be a little too much and irritating on my skin, but this one was fine. And they say use at least once a week, but you know your skin, you do what works best for you. I'm sorry I'm not showing you every single one, but as you can tell, they all look the same when you can't read the little writing. And they say this is good for all skin types. And now let's talk about the Hydrating Mist, because on all of their cleansers, it recommends using the Hydrating Mist as a toner after cleansing before moisturizing. Now this by far was the most fragranced, so I'll show you this. I've been using this pretty much every day since I received it as a toner, but you can also just use it as a facial spray. I don't know if you can really tell how much I've used, but a decent amount. So yeah, tones, primes, and refreshes. Spray 3 bursts onto cleansed skin to tone your complexion, onto moisturized skin to prime before makeup application, and use during the day as an extra hydration boost. So I've only used it for toning, but this is such a nice, fine mist. I don't even know if you could tell, my coffee's right here, so I'm like, don't get in the coffee, but I don't even know if you guys could see it on camera. But yeah, it's just a little too fragrant for me. Like I said, I do like the fragrance, but this out of all the products is the most fragrant. But if you like it, it does smell like good, but yeah, it's a little much if you are sensitive. And this mist contains hyaluronic acid, which keeps your skin feeling hydrated and looking refreshed all day long. Babusu oil, hopefully I'm saying that right. This leaves your complexion feeling soft and nourished. And Inca Inchi oil, which helps to support your skin's natural barrier and keeps it feeling moisturized. So now let's talk about the 2 moisturizers. So they have a moisturizer for normal to oily skin and then for dry skin. So for normal to oily skin, they have the 3-in-1 moisturizer, and then for dry skin, the 3-in-1 rich moisturizer. I've used both. Like I said, I have normal skin, but I feel like both worked for me. Some nights, like after I did like an AHA or something like that, I liked to go in with the rich moisturizer after, just to make sure my skin's really hydrated after an intense treatment. So both of these says plumps and primes, and then the 3-in-1 moisturizer protects, and the 3-in-1 rich moisturizer nourishes. So obviously, like as you probably assume, the regular one, not the rich moisturizer, is more lightweight. And it says it prepares your skin for flawless makeup application. I've had no issues using this under makeup, so that is true. And I found that the like moisturizers and the serum and stuff are definitely not as strongly fragranced as like the mist and some of the cleansers. So they're both made with hyaluronic acid, and then the regular 3-in-1 moisturizer is also made with Tsubaki, which works to moisturize your skin, and red seaweed, and that creates a protective barrier that helps to lock in moisture. And the rich moisturizer has the Inca Inchi oil and Camelina oil. And then we have 2 more to go. Let's talk about our eye cream, because that would kind of be like the 4th step for the morning at least. And I actually have 2 of these. So I received one in the Glossybox, the August birthday box. So I will be giving one of these away. I've been using this and I really like it. And this does seem to be fragrance free. There is no scent. And when I was looking over the ingredient list, I don't see fragrance or perfume listed, so that is good. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It's lightweight, fast absorbing formula that reduces the appearance of dark circles and depuffs your under eye area. It definitely does help. I still have some puffiness. I barely slept last night, so my skin's not looking the best today, but it definitely helps hydrate, and I do really like this product, so I will be sharing this with one of you. Stay tuned. And then last we have the night serum. So this deeply nourishes and brightens overnight. It's made with glycolic acid, which is an AHA, Persian silk tree extract, which helps to reduce visible signs of fatigue and gives a brighter, more even looking complexion, and blueberry oil that leaves your skin feeling hydrated and nourished. So they say that this brightens your complexion while you sleep, and you can use this on cleansed, toned, and slightly damp skin. So they kind of recommend using this just as your last step, like your moisturizer. I used it alone, then I also used it with a moisturizer after, so I guess it's preference. I always like to go in with a moisturizer after my serums, but this definitely is hydrating. So this is what it looks like. So I really do like that this has glycolic acid and it's gentle enough that you can use this at night, but if you're new to acids and AHAs and stuff like that, maybe you can just like test this out every couple days at first. But again, this is fragrance. So really the only fragrance-free options just for those who here are the gentle foaming cleanser and the eye cream. And I must say that these are my two favorites from the line. There was nothing I didn't like. The Hydrating Mist was just a little too fragrant for me, like I said, but that's just personal preference. I feel like my skin's been liking all these. I haven't tested these long enough to really know the long-term benefits of them. Like I always like to test skincare products for at least 20 days or a month to see how my skin is, because that's like the skin cell cycle. But I have been using them for like 10 or 11 days. When I first got the package, I started because I wanted to try them all, so when I did this video I can let you know my thoughts. So overall I think they did a great job with their line. I like how they included different types of cleansers and products so they can be more tailored to your preferences and your skin type. One thing I wish they did include was sunscreen, because I feel like that would be complete then. You would have your cleanser, your toner, your moisturizer, and then if you had your sunscreen and your eye cream, then it would be a complete skincare routine in my opinion. But you know, they're brand new. The day I'm posting this is the day they're launching, so I'm looking forward to seeing what they come out with next. I'm assuming there'll be like a sunscreen and then some like serums and stuff like that, but I think they just have the basics down minus sunscreen, and that's a great way to start. So I'm gonna try and link these products all down below. As of right now it's not available yet, so I can't see if I can like link them individually, but I will at least have Glossybox's website linked down below so you can check out the skincare there. So yeah, that is everything. Now let's talk about our giveaway. So I forgot to grab it, but since I have two, I want to give away an eye boost cream to one of you, and I'm so happy that this is one of my favorite products from their line. So I will gift the winner one of these eye creams, and then I will also include some other skincare, like some serums and stuff that you can use in addition to anything you may purchase from the line. So super easy to enter. Leave all the instructions, by the way, in the description box, but number one rule, you have to be a subscriber. Number two, like this video, and then three, leave a comment down below. You can leave any comment you want, but if you need some ideas, you can let me know what item you find the most interesting, or what you're going to pick up from this line, or just anything about skincare in general, like what's your skin type. And yeah, maybe what your skin type would be a good one, because then if you win, I can select some serums that go well for you in my opinion. I'll have this open for about a week, but I should mention, so it's very important to leave a comment because I'm going to use a random comment generator to pick the winner, and then I'll make sure that winners followed all the rules. And then once I find out they did, I will pin the winner's comment, reply to their comment, and the winner will have 48 hours to get back to me. And if I do not hear back within 2 days, then I will select another winner. So this is open to all subscribers, no matter where you live. I have to look at my phone to see the date. So yeah, this will just be a quick one. We'll have this run till the end of the 19th, and then I will select a winner on the 20th. So yeah, that is everything. Again, if that was confusing or anything like that, everything is down below. So yeah, that is everything. Long video. I hope it was helpful. I know I didn't try these out for super long, but I definitely tried all of them at least once or twice, and some for 10 days. But again, leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you're going to pick up, if anything. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Thank you so much to my channel members. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate every single one of you just for being here and watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.